Fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing. First, update the YouTube app. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and install any available update. The recap feature often doesn't appear on outdated versions. 2. Force close and restart YouTube. Swipe YouTube out of your recent apps and reopen it. This refreshes the app and can trigger new features to appear. 3. Check the U tab. Tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. This is where the recap option shows once your account receives it. 4. Use the direct link youtube.com/recap. Open Chrome or any browser and type YouTube. Recap. If your account is ready, a pop-up will appear asking you to open YouTube. Tap it, allow permissions if needed, and your recap should load instantly. 5. Clear app cache, Android only. Go to YouTube App Info, Storage, Clear Cache. This won't delete your data. It only clears temporary files that might block the recap feature from appearing. 6. Understand the rollout delay. If it still isn't showing, don't stress. YouTube releases recap gradually. Some users get it immediately, others after a few days. Keep your app updated and check the U tab in the YouTube. Recap link daily. 7. Save and share your recap. Once your recap appears, you can save the recap images and share the recap link with friends or family. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell for more Fixmaster tutorials.